Okay, folks, here we go. Uh, Early riser back again. All right, here's the version 3.0 of setting up a VPS Smartnode for Bitoreum. With the this is amazing now with the new repository Marius made, and maybe Nando helped. I don't know. Whoever did it, it's awesome and it works. And in under 5 minutes, you could probably set up a smart node. Um, and for noobs like us, it's just basically copying and pasting about 5 lines. And here we go. Okay, so I'm using VULTR again. I'm gonna deploy my server, cloud compute, Intel high performance. Let's go Atlanta. We'll go 1804 Ubuntu. Here we go, $6 a month. De-enable that, de-enable that. I'll give it a name. Bitnode 8 deploy. There we go. All right, so while that's installing, I'm gonna come over to my wallet, which is all synced up and everything's ready to go here. I'm gonna send myself the collateral of 1.25 million Bitoreum. Gonna have to unlock the unspent here. So I know it's available. Okay. I'm gonna send it to my receiving address. Copy address. Send. Pay to. There we go. Paste. And type in. There you go. 123. There you go. 1,250,000 Bitoreum. Send. It's gonna ask for my password. Hopefully I enter it right. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it seemed to work. Yes. All right. So there we go. All right. So we sent ourselves the collateral. In the meantime, our VPS is being set up. All right, it's still doing its thing, and I guess we could set up our ProteX command. Here we go. We're gonna copy our IP address. Come over to Notepad. Public IP and port. All right, here we go. Paste that in. 15168. Fee address. Oh gosh. Let's find something here. Debug console. List address balances. Okay. Oh goodness. All right, let's look for something that has anything in it. All right, this one has 5,000. That'll work. Copy that. That'll cover the collateral. There we go. Collateral index. I know I'm a 1. If y'all don't know how to check that, on the Bitoreum website, under the documentation section, set how to activate a smart node on Windows. Basically, you just type in the debug console, smart node outputs. Smart node should be one word, not two. So smart node outputs, and it'll either spit out a 0 or a 1, and then you'll know what to put in there, but I'm sure you probably know already. And then our transaction ID for the collateral. We just said, here we go. Copy transaction ID. Where are we? There we go. Paste that sucker right in. All right, so our ProteX command's good to go. Let's check in on our server here. Probably still setting up. Click on the view console. It's close, it's close. What else can we do in the meantime? I suppose we'll just wait. Okay, all right, we're back. Server software is installed. Let's log on to our server here. Copy IP address. We'll open up PuTTY. Paste the IP address in. Enter. Accept. We'll log in as root. Password. Copy it. Paste it in. Right click. Hit enter. There we go. All right, Marius has this wonderful page here. I'll put a link under the video here. And I did notice one typo, at least for the one we're using. For the Ubuntu 18, we're gonna copy this section here. I'm gonna go back into Notepad. Let me just go down a little below our ProDX command, paste that in. This line should be on its own down there. There we go. Okay. So we're just gonna copy and paste off of this like noobs. Here we go. We're gonna copy that. Where are we going? Here we are. I'm gonna paste that in. All right. Back to Notepad. Where the hell are you? There you go. All right. Copy that. Paste it in. Boom. There you go. There you go. Third one here. Copy and paste that in there. All right. Whoop. Paste that in. Enter. There we go. Copy that. Paste it in. All right. And this one is going to basically do the magic. Download the bootstrap, daemon, all that, and basically do everything. And all we're going to have to do in a minute is just put our private key in. So while this is happening in the background, we're going to come back to our wallet. We're going to run that ProDX command that we made up here. I'm going to copy that. Copy. Come back in the wallet. Unlock the wallet. Wallet. Passphrase. Space. I'll move my window down so you can't see my password. Space. I'll open it up for whatever, 10 minutes, 600 seconds. There we go. All right, null, we're unlocked. I'm gonna paste in our ProDX command. There we go. And all we're gonna need basically is the private key, which is here under operator secret, but it also is in the config file that just got generated in the Bitoreum folder, which we can open up if I could find it. There we are. Here it is here. Oh, maybe I should have said this one. Yeah, there we go. All right, so we're going to copy our Smartnode BLS private key, copy. We're going to come back to this beautiful pink window. We're going to right-click paste. We're going to press the down arrow on the keyboard and then hit enter on OK. Boom. There you go. Now we're going to fire up this daemon. Let's go back over here. All right. So we're going to copy that. Paste that in. Boom. Oop. Start on boot. Sure. Copy that. Paste it in. Great. And then let's just see what this says here. Paste that in. And there we go. Once it syncs up in probably less than a minute, everything should be all good. And that's it. That's it. The Smartnode's set up. You're good to go. In your wallet here, maybe I shouldn't have closed that. I can open that back up. What the hell is it? Debug console. It'll show your payout address. If you ever want to give it a name, so it doesn't just show up as the address itself, you can just do a search for it. Let's copy it there. File receiving addresses. You can paste it in. Oop. And instead of just showing up as no label, you can name it to something such as Bitnode 8. Bitnode 8. There we go. And then close. So then when you start getting rewards, it'll say bitnode 8 instead of the address name over here. And if you have trouble syncing your wallets, I'm just going to throw this in as a freebie. Click on peer lists if they start getting jammed up or syncing is taking too long. Just look at your peers and try and find ones that aren't, I guess, on the current block. I guess I got rid of all the when it first starts up, sometimes it goes faster if well, if you find one that isn't at near the current block height, you could right click and disconnect them, and then kind of go through the list and kick them off, and then you'll sync faster. And that's it. That's all I got. Another terrible video by Early Riser. Take care, guys. Bye.